Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your window switch on the left back door. Same thing for the right back door. So the car I'm working on today is going to be a Hyundai Accent. This model is a 2017, but you know how these cars go. Maybe 2017 to probably 2012 is the same procedure of doing this. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver or a pick. In my case, I have a small flathead screwdriver, and you go right here to expose this Phillips screw right here, and down here gonna be the same thing right here. Expose that too. Alright, so now it's time to get the Phillips screwdriver and take them out. Alright, so now I got my Phillips screwdriver. So take this one out. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help me help you. Give a thumbs up if I help you. I got the screw right here, and time for this one right here. So it's two Phillips screw. Now it's time to remove the door panel. So you want to get your flathead screwdriver that I have right here. You want to put a tape over this if you don't want to scratch your door on the inside, but try to get the screwdriver to go between the panel and the door, right? Like that. See, got it between it. You want to pull back on it like that. So you just give it a nice firm pull, like boom, and it will come loose like that, where you can get your fingers to go in the door, and then you can work your finger all the way around the door, pull on it, and it will come loose like that. Alright, so yeah, bear with me. You need to take off this piece right here. So you want to pull this open and kind of get your finger between, or get your flathead screwdriver, put it between this and the door, and give you access to that. Alright, so now what you can do is pull out at the bottom. As you can see, I pull out at the bottom and I push up. So pull out and go up, and it will come loose, and your switch will be right here. You're gonna need to unplug your switch. As you can see right here, to unplug the switch, you want to squeeze here and pull. Alright, so the switch is here. To unplug it, you want to squeeze right here and pull back. Alright, and it's gonna give you two more Phillips screws that you're gonna need to take out to remove the switch. Alright, alright, got one out. And get the second one out. Alright, when you remove the second one, you can go ahead and lift up the switch, and the parts number gonna be somewhere right here. But this is the new one right here. Alright, and the part number is at the top right here. Right there's the part number right there. So if you want to order it, you can order it with that number. Alright, so I got my new switch right here, and this part right here goes to the right here, go in like that and sit down properly. All right, but you don't have to worry, because if you set it this way, it won't go in, it won't line up with the screws, so you know you're doing it wrong. Don't try to catch it like that. Don't try to do anything. If you don't go in this way, you turn it around and it will go in. Once it go in, you know you have it the correct way. All right, so now it's time for me to catch about my screws. Phillips screwdriver once again. Alright, so at this point you want to connect back your switch right here, and now would be a good time to test the switch, make sure it works, make sure it go up and down. Alright, if you want to test it, so you want to turn on the ignition or start the car and check it. Alright, so yeah, I have my ignition turned on. So we'll come around here with the switch at, and the window go down, and the window go up, and the window go down. Alright, so now you can turn out back the ignition and fit your panel on the door. Alright, so the same way how you take it off is the same way you want to put it back in reverse. Alright, so you want to hook the top of the door, you carry it up higher and hook it over. Top of the door. Please bear with me. Using my one hand here on my leg. So you want to hook the top and make sure the top seat properly. Alright, so you can see already flush. You want to check to make sure your clip line up with the holes, and then you can go ahead and tap it in right around. Alright, and also what you want to do too is put back your plastic bezel that goes around the handle. Alright, same as how you take it off, same way it go back in reverse like that. Snap it into place. You want to put back your screws. Alright, so go ahead. Run back in all your screws. Alright, so you can lock that in. Lock that in, and that's it, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Here's the part number once again. Where it is, let me see. Here's the part number once again, in case you want to order it online or just get right to the point. And this switch will work for the right side also, so it doesn't matter left or right, it will work. Alright, peace out, see you next time.